She's exactly the opposite of a bitch. She's very calm.
Definitely. That goes without saying. She's 3 years old, right?
Yeah.
When you rescued her, what kind of condition she was in?
She was good, but then it was winter and it was really cold down. But then, so
वहाँ ठहरो ना जाके, उधर से खड़े रहो। हाँ, स्टेज का के लिए बनाया आपको, स्टेज पे जाके डालेंगे तो दिखेगा। यस।
Thank you, Nanu. We'll invite Archie on stage now. Hello everyone, I'm Mariam. This is our cat Archie. She's just 4 months old. Actually, my brother is a big fan of keeping various pets. This is the first time which we've kept a cat. And yeah.
She's 4 months old.
She. Yeah.
She, sorry.
We
Adorable.
made her a tortoise.
Yeah. Just walk it down. Up and down.
Make up your mind, what do you mean?
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, इसका नाम ऑनिक्स है, मेरा नाम रश्मि है, मैं इसकी मम्मी हूँ। मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं, ये मेरा सबसे छोटा बच्चा है। इसको मैंने ये जब 8 मंथ्स का था तभी मैंने इसको अडॉप्ट किया है। अभी इसको मेरे घर में ये अभी 3 साल का हो गया है। जब ये आता था बहुत पतला था, कुछ खाता नहीं था, थोड़ा सा बहुत घबराता था, जैसे अभी भी घबराता है। बट अभी ये मेरे बातें थोड़ी सी समझने लगा है। मतलब वो म्याओ करता है तो मैं म्याओ करती हूँ तो वो रिएक्ट करता है, उसको अच्छा लगता है कि कोई है मेरे जैसा म्याओ करने वाला। सो मुझको, मेरे बेटे को और मेरी बेटी को, तीनों को पेट्स का बहुत शौक़ है। मेरे हस्बैंड को बिल्कुल शौक़ नहीं है। बट अभी 2-2.5 साल के बाद हालत ये है कि मैं एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट बताना चाहती हूँ। परसों हम तीनों बाहर गए थे इसका ड्रेसअप वगैरह लेने के लिए, और मेरे हस्बैंड ऑफिस से आए हैं। तो ये मेरी बेटी के कबर्ड में जाके बैठा था, जैसे इसकी वो फेवरेट जगह है बुक्स के। तो उन्होंने मुझको फर्स्ट कॉल किया, उन्होंने बालकनी में देखा, इधर उधर देखा, कॉल किया, अरे ऑनिक्स किधर है, ऑनिक्स घर पे नहीं है। तो हम लोग शौक, मैं बोली कबर्ड में देखो है क्या। तो उन्होंने आवाज़ दिया, जैसे बाहर आ गया ऑनिक्स करके। सो अगर वो उसको हाथ नहीं लगाते, लेकिन मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, उसको फीडिंग करते हैं, उसके बाउल में डालते हैं, पानी देते हैं और उसका केयर भी करते हैं। ये फ़र्क किसकी वजह से आ गया है? मेरी वजह से नहीं, ऑनिक्स की वजह से आ गया है। और बहुत ही लवली है ये। मैं नीचे बैठती हूँ, उसको लैब पे बैठना रहता है, मैं पाँव लंबा करती हूँ, ये पहले मेरे पाँव दबाएगा, मस्का मारेगा और फिर मेरे लैब पे आके बैठेगा। ऐसा मेरा ऑनिक्स है। और ये मेरा तीसरा बच्चा है। मैं हमेशा इसको कहती हूँ कि मेरा तीसरा बच्चा है। और इसको मैंने आज मिकी माउस बनाया है।
मैडम, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम रश्मि है।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, रियली वेरी नाइस।
थैंक यू सर।
सवाल हो सकते हैं।
हाँ सवाल हो सकते हैं मेरे पास।
मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, जैसे मैडम ने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया, यू हैव समथिंग टू टेल अस, प्लीज शेयर इट ऑन दिस पोडियम, मेक इट इजियर फॉर यू टू विन।
Thank you so much. Now we'll announce. Now we'll call absent. Participant 5.
Hi, my name is Ritu Gandha and this is my daughter. Her name is Absinthe. Absinthe. So it's a name actually of a liquor. And if you see, she's got odd eyes. One is blue, one is goldish. And if you mix those two colors, that's the color of that liquor, absinthe. So I actually had a pom with me, a miniature pom who passed away. And this one's my second pet. And this is the first cat I've ever had actually, because in Orthodox families they don't really accept cats. There are so many superstitions behind that. But my family loves her now. We thought she'll bite and everything, but she's very people friendly. She loves to play with my curtains. She chases birds and butterflies and everything. And I think in life she wants to be a professional bottle cap football player, because she keeps playing with that. Something very funny is that I actually also have a fish tank at home, and I have a cat and fish tank, so you know, you can just understand to catch fish, getting fish from Utekar. So she actually has a gehra rishta with Utekar because they provide her prospective food. Today she's dressed up as a Scottish maiden. So yeah, that's my Scottish maiden.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
How old is she?
She's 8 months.
8 months. And how old was she when you got her?
1 month, 2 months, something.
I hope everyone has noticed the different color of her eyes. It's really very beautiful.
Yeah, she's got 2 different eyes. It's actually called heterochromia iridium, and it's a genetic occurrence.
Say cheese.
And why is Scottish maiden?
I got one.
Hi guys, my name is Zog and this is Pardeen. He's a odd eye extreme punch cat, male, and he's 3 years old. He's a good member of our family. Because of him, he's very mischievous, keeps running here and there. Most probably, basically he has already 11 kids, and right now I've got 2 more kids of this with me. I have experience of almost 5 years with cats, and he loves to eat boiled chicken, and he's a healthy cat. He has odd eyes, one is honey color and one is blue. You can see his face as well.
Please have a look at the color of the eye. Carefully. What is he dressed as? Dressed him as?
He's a bumblebee eye.
Who is this?
She's my daughter Myra.
Up and down.
One more thing I forgot to tell you. Right now I'm working at Dudeka Fisheries, and I'm very happy to work over here. And I'm fond of pets, so I'm fulfilling that right now.
Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Dog shape.
Okay. Why bumblebee?
Basically, his eyes are very wide, so I found that I've seen one animation movie that he was there and he was looking at big eyes. So according to that, that was the movie.
Great.
Thank you so much. We'll invite our second judge, Sunitra ma'am, please. Dr. Sunitra Bhattacharya.
I'm Dr. Sunitra. I'm a veterinary surgeon. Basically, I've come here to see all the cats and give you some information regarding how to take care of them, what is the vaccination schedule, and how deworming schedule is supposed to be done. So once you have a small kitten, once you get a small kitten, regular checkups are needed. There are a few worms which can be transmitted from a cat to humans, as well as the few worms which humans have can be transmitted to cats. So deworming of humans as well as your pets is necessary. Generally up till age of 3 months, twice a month deworming is supposed to be done, and till after 3 months of age till 6 months, once a month deworming is supposed to be done. And henceforth every 3 monthly deworming is supposed to be done. All these deworming medicines and the dosages vary according to the body weight of your cat, right? So you have to actually weigh your cat, see what is the weight from time to time, and according to that the dosages are supposed to be given. Coming to the vaccination schedule, annual vaccination are needed for cats as we do it for dogs. The first and foremost vaccine that is supposed to be given is the anti-rabies, which is very important. Rabies is a deadly disease, it can be transmitted from various animals, not only cats. It can be transmitted from dogs, cats, bats, horses, mules, donkeys. Right. So with the it is transmitted generally either through bite or through the saliva, or it can be transmitted from bad droppings as well. So once the animal is infected with rabies, you cannot treat it. It is not curable. So to make sure that your cat or your pet stays healthy, vaccinations are given. Pre-exposure vaccinations are given, as well as if just in case some accidental cases happen that your cat or your dog gets bitten by some other animal, which history you don't know, like whether it is rabied or no. So in those cases, post-exposure, that is after bite or after exposure to such suspected animals, vaccines are given. Those are called as post-exposure vaccines or post-bite vaccines. So such anti-rabies schedule is supposed to be followed. There are various schedules like after how many days vaccine is supposed to be repeated, after, that is pre-exposure and post-exposure. There are different schedules for that your vet can explain you once you go there. Also, there is something called as feline vaccine, cat vaccine. There are 3 different kind of diseases which are combined together, viruses, 3 different kind of viruses against the diseases are combined together. It's a combined vaccine and has to be given annually. A booster vaccine is supposed to be given for these combined vaccines, and henceforth, this is the first year vaccination schedule, and henceforth from next year onwards, from the second year of age onwards, your pet has to be given boosters of that vaccine. Right? So these vaccines ensure the health of your pet, as well as there are few diseases which can be transmitted to you as well. So to take care of your health, your family, as well as your pet's well-being, such vaccinations and deworming is generally required.
कैट तो आप डॉक्टर से पूछ सकते हैं.
Then invite Goldie on.
Hi guys, I'm back again. This is Goldie, this male, and Fuzzy is father of this gold actually. So this is also loving cat, and best part at night he comes and sleeps beside me, and keeps playing. He never let me sleep properly. His theme is basically a Popeye. That's his theme. So, he's 7 months old. I've got his sister as well.
the mother of this color?
Mother is actually Sienna.
How do you get this color?
This or
And the father is white.
their father is white. So what happens basically their ancestors? It depends on that. So whatever ancestor colors are there, it will come on this other.
What colors do you have?
Right now gold was there. There were 2 whites before. There one black was there. There are muddy colors. One female I've got, that is muddy color.
So
Hi guys, this is Juliet, and right now she is kind of Cinderella. She is 7 months old and she is sister of Dodi, daughter of Pardeep.
अच्छा, जो मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप आपके पास इतने कैट्स हैं तो बाल के इसके जो बाल बहुत निकलते होंगे, आप इनको ग्रूम कैसे करते हो, इनको बाथ कैसे देते हो, इनको फीड क्या करते हो, कुछ बताओ। हमारे यहाँ पे कैट लवर्स आए हैं जो उनके लिए
See, basically what I do is every month I give them bath. And grooming, yes, every 2 days with a brush, I keep doing the grooming. And what I provide is best food for them. And according to me, my personal experience, what I find is Royal Canin is the best food for cats. And because of that, the fur quality remains good in childhood. And if you see like what my personal experience is, once we remove the first coat, when people do grooming and all that, or they do trimming, the first coat is the best coat what cat has. So that is the best part, you need to store them.
हेलो, और कैट को ओमेगा 3 6 की कुछ ज़रूरत होती है?
वो भी बेस्ट है उनके लिए, बिकॉज उससे भी उनका फ्लोर क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है, उनका जो बाल जो रहते हैं वो झड़ते काम करते हैं, तो वो बेटर है कि आप वो दीजिए।
तो आप क्या प्रीफर करते हो आपके कैट्स के लिए?
मेरा तो पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस है कि मैं रॉयल कैनिन लूँ, और उनके लिए बिस्किट जो ग्रेवी आती है वो भी बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो दिन में मैं 2 ग्रेवी के पैकेट तो जरूर देता हूँ।
पूरे दिन में आप कितनी टाइम फीड करते हो आपके कैट को?
रॉयल कैनिन तो बेसिकली रखा हुआ ही रहता है, तो जब भी उनको भूख लगती है तो रॉयल कैनिन खा लेते हैं, बट उनका 2 टाइम का बिस्किट फ्लेक्स होता है, तो दिन में सुबह में एक बार देते हैं और शाम में।
और बॉइल्ड चिकन और फिश?
बॉयल चिकन अगर आप दे रहे हो तो लाइटली आप उसमें हल्दी यूज़ कीजिए, ओके, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा ही, और तो उसको मिक्स करके दीजिए।
और फिश में? फिश कौन से फिश आप दे सकते हैं?
फ्रेश उनके लिए ट्यूना होता है।
ट्यूना। थैंक यू सो।
थैंक यू।
यहाँ पर मैं सबको एक ही बात बोलना चाहती हूँ कि क्या हम इंसानों से ये ज़्यादा क्लेवर है, क्योंकि हम इनकी लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ सकते, बट आप इनको बोलो इससे क्या अभी ये मेरे मराठी घर में परिवार है, मैं उसको बोलूँगी कि ये इकड़े बस किटू दे, तो वो ऐसे करता है, मतलब किटू दे बोला तो वो किटू को एडजस्ट करेगा। फिर मैं कभी कभी नाटक करती हूँ, मेरे पाँव बहुत दर्द हो रहे हैं, तो ये लंबा पाँव करके तो ये पाँव दबा के फिर लेफ्ट आके बैठ जाएगा। तो क्या ये सच में, मुझको सच में ऐसे लगता है कि हमसे ज़्यादा क्लेवर है क्या? हम इनकी लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ सकते हैं, चाहे हम म्याओ करें तो फिर वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, नहीं। थैंक यू।
They are definitely intelligent enough to understand what we say. आप जैसे बात कर रहे हो कि आप उनको कमांड देते हो, दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग। आप जिस तरह से उसको ट्रेन करोगे, अच्छी बुरी आदतें लगाओगे, वैसे वो ट्रेन होंगे। आप जैसे बोलते हैं आपके पैर दुखते हैं वगैरह, दे कैन डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टैंड देयर इमोशन, आवर इमोशंस एज वेल, दे डू हैव इमोशन। वो अपने लैंग्वेज में बात नहीं कर सकते, बट उनका अपना अलग एक कम्युनिकेट करने का लैंग्वेज रहता है। यस, आंखों से एक्सप्रेशंस, हम लोग जो टोन में बात करते हैं, दे डेफिनेटली कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड आवर वर्ड्स, प्रॉपर वर्ड्स जो है हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, बट हम लोग जो कमांड्स देते हैं अगर वो रिपीटेडली दिए जाए तो वो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि ये बोलने के बाद ये करना है। या फिर जो जिस तरह से ओनर अपने पेट के साथ कम्युनिकेट करता है, दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट। जो जिस टोन में बात करता है, अगर एंग्री है, गुस्सा करके बात कर रहे हैं, इट अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, आई हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग, एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड कि अभी ऐसे नहीं करना है या छुप के जाके बैठ जाएंगे। दे आर डेफिनेटली इंटेलिजेंट इनफ।
Take to their colors. What ma'am is holding, that is basically grey, but what we call is blue. So even I have a blue color at my home. He's a male and he's also 3.5 years old. But how much ever I pamper him, he'll go to my wife only. Because that is the speciality of greys basically, for blue. They'll only love one person in your family. And white is definitely like their family, they love each and every person in your family. So greys are difficult to handle, and my wife has good experience of cat actually, so she can also share her experience. Right, so rest it was good, and we can share each our experience with each other, whatever queries and everything I've read, so she can take out our queries from her.